Hey y'all, checking Paige here in Thap Phnom, Thailand. Hey, I want to give you guys a update on what's going on with us towards the end of the year and our immediate plans at the beginning of the year.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. Got a kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
We're gonna go walk down to our favorite restaurant on the Mekong River where it's hopefully not that loud. I don't know. I say that it's loud everywhere, but we're gonna take a walk because they're doing a lot of renovations in the town, and I want to walk by and check it out. That's a mess though. I guess they're getting rid of all these wires up here. I'm not really sure. So what they hop? She's tired of working. She's been working there 40 years. No, she loves it. What else would she do, right? Got to make money. But anyway, I want to show you guys the walkway from the temple all the way to the river. That's a big phalang right there. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I told Paige let's go to the river and eat, and she brought chips. Why'd you bring chips? No, we're gonna go eat. Let's walk over here and look at this. This is cool. This is the temple entrance. And yeah, I guess we can walk here. Everybody else is. Awesome, looks great. Cool, huh? So yeah, they got all these cool lights up. They actually work. Well, at least half of them did. This is a new construction. Cool stuff. These people aren't probably real happy right now, but so what they hop. But I think they'll be happy when it's finished. Obstacle. So what they hop? Suit yacht cop. Suit yacht. Very good. Suit yacht loy. Don't fall in there, babe. Boy. So what they hop? But I thought they were gonna put asphalt down, but this is beautiful when it's done. I wonder if they're gonna go all the way to the temple. Okay. Oh, they did this too. Wow, they've been busy. Paige doesn't get real excited. Yeah. It is level. It's the only level part in the town for now. Are you following me? Beautiful. Okay. What kind is it? Devil? good. That's it. Set out. Now the Notime city needs to take care of this. It's got an electric acoustic guitar. Cold. Beautiful, huh? I want moo tart. We're at our favorite restaurant here. Kua Nui. Kua Nui.
ไม่บ่นว่าเผ็ดนะไม่ฝรั่งกินหมูอันมะนาวไม่เหลือแม้กระทั่งผักรดน้ำอีกต่างหากแต่อะไรแต่ส้มตำโอ้เราว่าอยู่ฟัง
Okay, so here's what we're doing. We haven't been doing too much because we don't really like to travel around during New Year's because there's a lot of police checks and a lot of people just having a good time and drinking. So we don't like to get on the road and there's just a lot of traffic. So we just been kind of hanging out. I went to Notime. Actually, I went to the bridge, the Lao Bridge, past Notime and back, 140 kilometers. And today I did 50 kilometers to Ranu, a town close by and back. So I've been trying to get some exercise time in. Tomorrow, me and Paige are headed to Notime to go to spend the night. They have beautiful Christmas lights there right now. And they did an awesome little bike path and they put Christmas lights around there. So we're just gonna hang out and I don't know, just have a good time. So we're gonna bring you guys along for that. So yeah, we've been getting a lot of stuff in the mail for Christmas. Awesome. I changed the mailing address on the About page. I didn't really realize that when you're shipping stuff in Thailand, it has to be in Thai language. Of course, you can't do it shipping from the States because they won't know what it says. But the Postal Service has zero problem getting mail to me from anywhere in the world. It's just inside Thailand. Like a couple people have got stuff from Lazada and the shipping companies inside Thailand, none of them can read English, so they didn't know where to send it. So we got it all straightened out. Everything came in awesome. Got some donations for Christmas presents. We're gonna do our final Christmas shopping tomorrow in Notime, so we'll bring you guys along for that too. It'll be fun, I'm sure. So Paige's brother's coming for Christmas. I don't know what we're doing. Probably nothing really spectacular. Probably the same as always. He's not staying very long. So we're gonna spend Christmas and New Year's at home. I plan on doing a cooking with kids video Saturday when we come back from Notime, making Christmas cookies and stuff. And a lot of people have been asking for the cooking with kids videos and the kids have been begging to come over and cook here lately. For a long time I couldn't get them to come over because they've been too busy with school. So we're gonna make a fun video of that. And on the 6th I've got to go to Khon Kaen to do my final checkup for my surgery that I just had on my sinuses. And we're gonna bring the ladies along with us and we're gonna have a fun time. So sometime after that we're going to do another Thailand tour. This time we're going to be going down south. I don't know how far quite yet. We haven't really put too much thought into it, but Klaus and Tune are driving up from Prachuap here, and I think they're going to try to follow us back. And we may spend some time in Prachuap doing some fishing and just checking out the area. I plan on making a trip to Cha'am maybe before or after Prachuap, I'm not sure, but in this next tour, I know I have quite a few subscribers in the area that were wanting to meet up in Cha'am, so we'll do that. And somebody told me about a steakhouse in Hua Hin, so maybe we'll try that again. I don't know. So they do have some lights here in Top Phnom at the park. We'll go check them out after dinner, and I'll share that with you at the end of the video if you're interested in seeing it. Anyway, we're gonna sit here and eat. That's so awesome. And that's like an omelet with pork. And this is kind of it's a Vietnamese pork, kind of a salad. It's pretty good. And that's just some fried pork there. But anyway, yeah, awesome. But that's really all that's going on right now. Just kind of chilling around the house. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go now, but we've got another couple weeks before we can go anywhere. So yeah, I think that's it. I plan on making a bike ride. I'm not sure, maybe next week to SJCAM. Did I say that wrong? Shit, I always say that wrong. Why do I say SJCAM?
Yes.
อาทิตย์หน้าไปขี่จักรยานสกลนคร I plan on making a bike trip there. It's 70 something miles from here. 70 something kilometers from here. So it'll be a fun trip. It'll be something I haven't done yet. The road looks a little scary, but I don't know. We'll see how it all works out. I'll bring you guys along for that. So if there's a tragedy, I guess you'll see it. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's all that's happening. Just wanted to tell you tomorrow's going to be an awesome, fun day in Nakhon Phanom. I hope you guys come with us. Thank you so much for all the wonderful new subscribers. We've gained a lot in the past couple weeks, and a lot of awesome comments. And yeah, don't forget to click the like button and share it if you want to, but please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.